Smashing tricks to burn yourself to a gorgeous body. Most folks I know start off the new year by making resolutions to lose weight and get in shape. Often, this mission is often easier said than done. Some last a little longer than others, but for most, impetus starts to fizzle soon into the next buffet engagement. Have no fear. 10 delightful tactics can empower you to motivate yourself to a better body. Whether you are looking to lose a lot or just a few pounds, or you want to exercise more to tone your body, you can create. Employee motivation, self-motivation, motivating employees, motivate, intrinsic motivation. Motivation in the workplace, motivation theory, employee motivation program, motivation techniques, motivating students. Most folks I know start off the new year by making resolutions to lose weight and get in shape. Often, this mission is often easier said than done. Conviction. Conviction is the primal way for you to motivate yourself to exercise more or to stick to a diet. Faith in yourself is also known as self-efficacy, and it means that once you believe that you can do something, no matter how hard, you do it. Those that have a lot of self-esteem believe that they have the power to make changes in themselves. Those without solid self-confidence will find that they will have a much more difficult time sticking to any fitness plan and will not exert much effort. Support. A staunch support system of friends and family keeps almost anyone motivated to reach their goals. When a person starts a new fitness plan or diet program, many changes need to happen. It is important to surround yourself with others that can support you and understand your personal goals. Let those around you know that you need them to support your new goal and try to include them in your objectives. Positive mindset. Your enthusiasm will soar if you keep a positive attitude towards your new fitness goals. Think about the positive aspects of a healthier lifestyle and exercise plan and keep that in mind. You may be tempted to skip a day at the gym. When following any fitness plan, it is also important to remember that you may have setbacks or you may not achieve your goals as fast as you had hoped. Keeping your stance positive even during rough times will help you stay focused on your goals. Follow through. You will find that you have an easier time staying motivated when you make a plan and keep at it. Without understanding each step you need to take to reach your goals, it will be harder to focus on the destination. For example, if you are trying to eat healthier, write down what foods you want to eliminate and foods you want to add to your diet. As you progress, compare your results with your plan, and that will help you stay the course. Keep organized. Keeping organized will keeps the motivation burning to stay on the new fitness plan. If you plan on going to the gym a few times a week, you can get everything you need ready to go the night before. Have your shoes, gym clothes, and membership card by the door. Not only will this make it easier for you to find exactly what you need, but it will also serve as a visual reminder of your goal. Keep your days planned out and schedule time in for healthy cooking or burning the asphalt. Forms of motivation. Intrinsic and extrinsic are both types of motivation. Understand what they mean and which one helps keep you motivated. Those who are intrinsically motivated do not need outside forces, such as rewards, to stay focused. They have the power from within to stay motivated. Other forces, such as rewards or praise from others, motivate those who are motivated extrinsically. Most people feel motivated both ways. Understand what kind of motivation keeps you passionate. Reward yourself. Incentives can be a great motivator, especially in a new fitness plan. Give yourself a small reward when you meet each of your goals. This will help you get to your final goal. You may choose to buy yourself a new shirt when you lose 10 pounds, or maybe go see a movie. Whatever appeals to you would stoke the flames of zeal. Heroes. When you are trying to get a better body through a fitness plan, look for a hero. That person does not have to be famous, but anybody you look up to. Maybe it is someone you know with a zest for healthy living. Use that person to emulate when your spirit wanes. Knowledge is power. As soon as you commit yourself to a new fitness plan, arm yourself with piles of information. Compare different diets and exercise plans. Learn the ins and outs of each one, and you can make a confident, informed decision. Varied pursuits. Another great way to stay motivated is by diversifying activities. When you start to feel upset, you can set it aside and do something you really love. It might even be possible to include what you love doing to help you.